welcome back to our education channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic, popcorn reading. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Let's get started. Ever heard of popcorn reading? It's a common classroom activity where students take turns reading aloud. Think of it like popcorn popping around the room, hence the name. This method, often used with larger texts like fiction books or textbook chapters, aims to improve reading skills. But is it really effective? Let's find out. But wait, it's not all rosy. Popcorn reading has its pitfalls. Anxiety, compromised comprehension, and a slow reading pace are just a few. The International Literacy Association even questions its effectiveness in fluency and word recognition. So, why do we still use it? Similar to popcorn reading, we have round-robin reading. It's a bit less spontaneous, allowing anxious readers to prepare. But this preparation can distract students from engaging with their peers reading. Let's talk about choral reading. This strategy helps improve fluency, confidence, and motivation in reading. It involves a group or an individual reading aloud, sometimes with a teacher. It's a positive spin on the popcorn reading method. So, is popcorn reading effective or not? Opinions vary. For some, it's a high-pressure, stressful environment for students. Others see it as a necessary practice for fluency. In conclusion, while popcorn reading has its place, it's vital to consider its drawbacks and explore other methods. Remember, every student is unique and so are their learning needs. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has been enlightening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more educational content. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.